Janelle here. We're on a plant walk and we just stopped by this little creek, and I wanted to go over some of the awesome plants that we found here. First of all, where are the wild strawberries? Do we eat them all?
Some.
Jace, can I see them?
Can I see them?
Where are they?
Wild strawberries.
They're pretty big. Usually they're really small, but oh, and there's some more over there we're finding. And then I found what appears to be wild growing oregano. I don't know how it seeded itself here.
Mama, look.
But here's the strawberry. We just rubbed this on our heads because the gnats are really bad. First I bruised it, and we tried to get some of the oil and rubbed it. What else is here that I know? Oh, here we go. We got some ferns, which Caleb is using to keep away the bugs. And more oregano. More oregano here.
Is that cute?
It seems like it looks like mint. This, I think, is that the Queen Anne's lace?
What's this?
Sure. This appears to be ground ivy, and it has a little pod on it. So, our dog is here too. This is some wild rose, multiflora rose. But lots of different plants. We got some cleavers here. So many plants, and when you stop in a little square foot of space. Cleavers. These are edible.
Mama, what's this?
That is sallow sedge. That is a grass. Gets that prickly pod. So,
It doesn't hurt.
over and out.